We move on to the pretty bits, which is the calipers. So you've already seen these. For you, those of you who've been following us, you would have seen these already. So these are big, huge, heavy duty 8-pot progressive piston calipers. They're huge. I've not seen anything bigger than that. I mean, they're monsters. And as you can see it's sort of like the heritage colour for the Mark III Focus RS Heritage Edition, teeth orange, deep orange, whatever you want to call it. So that's the fronts. Okay, they run. There's 4 brake pads in each, upper and lower, and they're all numbered, as you can see. Look, so they're all numbered. They only go in a certain. So they've been machined by high spec to sit in that position, offside and near side caliper. That's the way they fit. You try fitting them any other way, they won't sit right, and then you'll have pad overhang and all that sort of stuff. So they've been machined and configured to sit in that position. All right. Rear calipers. This is your Monster 4, which is again what we run on our car, what you see on Phil's car, which is down there. Different pad in that. It's not the only 2 pads in each caliper, so it's not extreme like the fronts. Electronic park and brake caliper. Again, all in the deep orange. Because for those of you again who have been following us, you know what we do on this complete custom conversion. We do away with the mechanical handbrake, and you run an electronic parking brake. The reason for that being is trying to get a manual parking brake to marry up to one of these. It's never gonna hold like it should do. It's quite a heavyish car, the Focus. You don't want it run. It's not safe enough, and for MOT purpose, it probably wouldn't have the efficiency when you're doing it in the rollers or decel test or whatever. It just wouldn't be good enough with it. So. So we go electronic parking brake. It's quite cool. Do away with the lever's still there, but obviously don't do anything, does it? That's the brackets, which obviously you got your rear brackets here for the rear calipers, and then obviously that box for that. You got all your nuts and bolts, etc., etc., and then the main bracket is already sort of like on there, not bolted up yet. So task tonight is to just test fit one side, get it all configured, and then we can start building the rest of it. But yeah, pretty mega this one. Like I say, it is a complete custom kit on this because we've not done it before. That's a 400mm disc, like I mentioned before, on a spacer bell built into it. So we've not done that before, and then you see the new MJP on it. But yeah, going to be a good one this, and we'll take you along the journey as we go. So until the next time, ciao.